Welcome back to another important video. In this video, you learn about how to improve speaking part 3 because most of the students don't give answers properly in this part. The first criteria, fluency and coherence, are very important for marking your speaking test. Especially, coherence is a pillar of getting best band scores. If you know how to maintain or improve coherence with speaking, you definitely perform good during your test. I also made a separate video about coherence. You watch that video for better understanding about coherence. The next point, how to elaborate. Always explain answers fully. Must give answers with the logically orders. For this, use discourse markers, connectors, fillers, and intonation. In addition, elaborate follow-up questions in details compared to part 1. To give your answers with logically order, use discourse markers, connectors, fillers, and intonation. The next point, important factors. There are some important factors which play an essential role in speaking for follow-up, reasons, effects, comparison, supporting examples, and personal examples. These factors help you to elaborate the answers fully. I explain you with the help of example. If the examiner asks you what are the disadvantages of eating fast food on health, if you start your answer directly about disadvantages of fast food, it would be bad for speaking. First of all, you think what are the all aspects of this answer? These aspects are, first is, start your answer with a little introduction for fast food. What effects of eating fast food? Why people like to eat fast food? Give sporting or personal examples. I prepare this answer. You should give this answer like this. Fast foods are very popular among people these days because they are inexpensive and delicious. It is an introduction line, but there are some negative effects of eating fast foods. These foods contain a lot of carbohydrates, sugar, fats, and salt. It is the effect of fast food. People who eat fast food regularly are suffering many health problems such as obesity, digestive problems, and heart diseases. It is also a effect of fast food. For example, one of my friend eat fast foods like noodles, and he or she suffers a lot of digestive problems now. It is a personal example of this answer. So finally I say, I hope this video is very fruitful for your test.